Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Google Pay and tapping the Explore or Travel card. This gets you straight into booking options. Make sure your preferred payment method is verified so transactions don't fail mid-checkout. Enter travel dates and passenger full names exactly as on ID because airlines match these fields. Small mismatches cause rebooking fees. Once done, choose one-way or round trip and select flight search to compare fares. This initial setup speeds checkout and prevents common errors before you even pick a flight. Now you perform a targeted search. Enter airports and dates, then apply filters to remove long layovers or expensive carriers. You pick a flight by evaluating total price and fare rules because the cheapest fare often restricts refunds or seat selection. Tap the flight to check baggage allowance and exact arrival/departure terminals so transfers are realistic. Once you choose, confirm passenger info and add extras like seats or meals. This keeps your itinerary accurate and avoids last-minute surprises at check-in. Finish by reviewing the booking summary and then tap Pay to complete the transaction. You should use your primary verified payment method to reduce declines. After the transaction, save the confirmation and PNR that Google Pay displays and add the e-ticket to your files or calendar because you may need it at check-in. If payment fails, first check bank OTP/messages and spending limits, then make sure app permissions and network are stable. Retry with another card or UPI ID if needed to avoid losing the hold on the fare.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.